this is God's country. We turn the dirt and work until the week's done. We take a break and break bread on Sunday, then do it all again, 'cause we're proud to be from God's country. I saw the light in a sunrise, sitting back in a 40 on the muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shine with the dogs running. Saved by the sound of a been-found Dixie whistle in the wind, that'll get you heaven-bound. The devil went down to Georgia, but he didn't stick around. This is God's country.